How to enable Bluetooth in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on and connect a device. First, click the Start button and then open the Settings app. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar. After that, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Bluetooth. Turn that on to enable it. At this point, click Add Device near the top of the page to start pairing a new device. From there, a window will pop up asking what type of device you're connecting. Select Bluetooth from the options. Following this, make sure the device you want to pair, like headphones or a keyboard, is turned on and in pairing mode. After that, Windows will scan and show a list of nearby devices. Click on the one you're trying to connect. From here, if a code appears on screen, confirm it matches on both devices and click Connect to finish pairing. Finally, once connected, the device will show up under Bluetooth and Devices, and you can always come back here to disconnect, reconnect, or remove it later. That's how you enable Bluetooth in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.